Good afternoon, students. So in the last class we have solved some problems on logarithms. So in today's class let us solve some MCQs, that is multiple choice questions on logarithms. In that the first question it is the value of log 4 to the base 3 and log 5 to the base 4 and log 6 to the base 5 and log 7 to the base 6 and log 8 to the base 7 and log 9 to the base 8 is. The four options are: option A it is 1, option B it is 2, option C it is 3, option D it is 4. So let us write the given question. So it is log 4 to the base 3, then log 5 to the base 4, then log 6 to the base 5, then log 7 to the base 6, then log 8 to the base 7, then log 9 to the base 8. So here we have to apply the change of base rule. What does the change of base rule say now? See here, log a to the base b can be written as log a divided by log b. So we have to make use of that rule. So here this becomes log 4 divided by log 3, then into. So this becomes log 5 divided by log 4, then this becomes log 6 divided by log 5, then this becomes log 7 divided by log 6. Log 7 divided by log 6, and then log 8 divided by log 7, then this becomes log 9 divided by log 8. So now log 4 and log 4 get cancelled, log 5 and log 5, log 6, log 6, log 7, log 7, log 8 and log 8 get cancelled. So we are left out with only log 9 divided by log 3. Log 9 divided by log 3. So now log 9 can be written as log 3 square. See here. So here log 9 can be written as log 3 square divided by log 3. Now this is in the form of log x to the power n. Log x to the power n can be written as n times log x. So here this 2 comes in the beginning, 2 times log 3 divided by log 3. So these two get cancelled. The answer is 2. So which is the right answer now? It is the option B. This is all about the first multiple choice question. Then the second multiple choice question it is, if log a to the base 5 into log x to the base a which is equals to 2, then x is equals to, the four options are 125, a square, 25 and none of these. So let us go ahead with the solution. I write the given function as it is, log a to the base 5 into log x to the base a which is equals to 2. Now here I go for change of base rule. So log a divided by log 5 into log x divided by log a which is equals to 2. So now log a and log a get cancelled. I write the remaining term, log x divided by log 5, this is equals to 2. So now this can be written as log log x to the base 5, this is equals to 2. Now this is there in the logarithmic form. How do you write the exponential form now? So x is equals to x, which is equals to 5 square, 5 to the power whatever the number is there in the right hand side. So x, which is equals to 5 square, so x, which is equals to 25. So this is the required value of x. Hence the correct answer is option C. So this is all about the second multiple choice question. So the third question it is, the value of 1 divided by log 12 to the base 3 plus 1 divided by log 12 to the base 4 is, the four options are 0, 1 by 2, 1 and 2. So let us solve this. I write the given question as it is, 1 divided by log 12 to the base 3 plus 1 divided by log 12 to the base 4, which is equals to. So now we have a property 1 by log a to the base b can be written as 1 by log b to the base a. So if you take this to the numerator, these two will be interchanged. So we have to make use of that property now. So log 3 to the base 12 plus this becomes log 4 to the base 12. Now this is in the form of log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. So log x plus log y can be written as log xy. The standard property is log x to the base a plus log y to the base a can be written as log of xy to the base a. So now we have to write this in this particular form. So log, now these two will be multiplied. 3 into 4 is 12 and base 12. So log a to the base a is always 1. So which is the right answer? It is the option C. This is all about the third multiple choice question. So the fourth question it is 7 to the power 2 log 5 to the base 7 is equal to, the four options are log 35 to the base 7, the second option it is 5, third option it is 25, fourth option it is log 25 to the base 7. So let us take this given function now. 7 to the power 2 log 5 to the base 7, which is equal to, I write 7 as it is. Now this is in the form of n log x. N log x can be written as n log x to the base a can be written as log x to the power n to the base a. Now I take 2 this side. So now we get log 5 square to the base 7. So now we have to apply the standard property here. So this is nothing but 5 square since a raised to log x to the base a, which is equals to x. So we are making use of this property here. So we have 7 and 7. So whatever is there, that becomes the value of this particular term. So 5 square will be 25. So which is the right answer now? It is the option C. So this is all about the fourth multiple choice question. Well, the fifth question it is, the value of log a to the base b and log b to the base c and log c to the base a is, the first option it is 0, second option it is 1, third option it is abc, fourth option it is log abc. So let us solve this. Write the given condition: log a to the base b into log b to the base c into log c to the base a. So now this is equals to, now we have to go for change of base rule. So here we get log a divided by log b. Then this can be written as log b divided by log c into log c divided by log a. So here log a and log a get cancels, and then log b get cancels, log c and log c get cancels. The answer is 1. So which is the right answer now? Option B is the correct answer. So this is all about the fifth multiple choice question. Well, the sixth question, it is the value of log 5 to the base 3 into log 27 to the base 25 into log 7 to the base 49 whole divided by log 3 to the base 81 is, the four options are 1, 6, 2 by 3, 3. So let us write this as it is. So log 5 to the base 3 into log 27 to the base 25, then into log 7 to the base 49, then whole divided by log 3 to the base 81. So now we have to apply change of base rule in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So the numerator becomes log 5 divided by log 3, log 5 divided by log 3, then here into log 27 divided by log 25, then into log 7 divided by log 7 divided by log 49, then whole divided by log 3 divided by log 81, log 3, then whole divided by log 81. So let us simplify this further. So here I write this term as it is, log 5 divided by log 3, then into, so here 27 can be written as 3 raised to 3, log 3 raised to 3, then divided by log 25 can be written as 5 square. So it is 5 square into log 7, write it as it is, then whole divided by, so here 49 can be written as 7 square, log 7 square, then whole divided by log 3 as it is, then divided by, so here 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4, log 3 raised to 4. So now again I write these two as it is, log 5 divided by log 3, then these two are in the form of log x to the power n and log x to the power n. So n comes in the beginning, so we get 3 times log 3, then divided by 2 times log 5, then into log 7 divided by, so 2 comes in the beginning now. We get 2 times log 7, then whole divided by log 3, I write it as it is. Then here 4 comes in the beginning. So 4 times log 3. So cancel out the terms now. Log 5, and then log 3. This log 3 get cancels. And here log 7 and log 7 get cancels. And then log 3, get cancels. Search for the remaining terms now. 3 divided by 2 into 2. It is 4. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Then, so here we have 1 divided by 4. So take up the reciprocal. We get 4 by 1. 4 and 4 get cancels. The answer is 3. So which is the right answer now? Option B is the correct answer. So this is all about the 6th multiple choice question.